Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we're having a little bit of a retracement today. Obviously, Verasity is a crypto that has been basically having a very nice move to the upside in the face of this nice little rally that we have seen for crypto basically ever since the start of the new year. You can see Verasity prior to this basically just heading down from the all-time high. We've had lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then eventually here, you know, we had this local descending wedge that we saw for a lot of altcoins. We got the breakout, the continuation up to this key level here with a massive impulsive, parabolic move, you would say. I would definitely say so. Up here, we broke through this bear market resistance. You can see resistance, and we got the breakout here, along with that 0.23 Fibonacci level, which is very interesting indeed, in my opinion. We've got the move to the upside like this. Coiling motion after that. Like you see, with a lot of cryptos, I had a short position, as you can see on the chart here, at this key level. It came down here, and I almost hit my take profit, which was essentially going to be that 0.23 Fibonacci level. But we got a bounce, and then once we came down again to that level and I saw that we were bouncing here, I basically took profits out in this area, I do believe. And then obviously if we continue up here, I did have another short position that was also set at this key 0.38 Fibonacci level as well. If we take a look at what happened here, we ran all the way up into that level. My short position triggered here, immediately entered profit as we got a nice rejection. I was looking to take profits back down here really, where we get a proper back test, but we never actually got the back test, did we? And then I set my stop loss to break even because I didn't know whether or not we would roll over or we'd get another extension to the upside. And basically what happened was, we got the extension here and I basically got stopped out at this Fibonacci level at break even, which was fine by me. You can see here after that we got that continuation to the upside here, up to around over that 1 cent level, which is cool to see. But looking like that 1 cent area could be a bit of an area of rejection where people are taking profits. And we can see here now, it looks as though Verasity is coming back down, retesting this previous area of resistance as support again. Just to be aware, we have got bearish divergences here as well, so we could potentially see, a deeper retracement over the next few weeks, depending on what the wider market does. And obviously when we take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing today, I'll just have a quick look at the chart. We can see that it has actually had a little bit of a rollover today after basically having this big parabolic move with the overextension there, and then grinding sideways, and then eventually lost steam and rolled to the downside like this. And this is something that could potentially happen to Verasity as well. You can obviously see how similar this chart is to the Verasity chart right now. They are fairly similar. And in my opinion, you could easily, most likely at least, expect coming back down to this area here, this previous key level of resistance and support at around that 0.75 cent level, which I do think will be a very key area in general. You can see back here, this was a previous area of support when we got a retracement, support, bounce, and then you can see here, flipped into resistance. Continuation to the downside, and then back up here, resistance, and then flipped into support again. Would be very bullish, wouldn't it, to start heading up through our Fibonacci levels. So I do think that if we come down to this level, I might put a small long position in, looking something like this. I do think we'll probably get a bounce in this area, and we'll see what happens next. So overall, Verasity looking fine. It's showing lots of signs of life, isn't it? But I am still short-term bearish on crypto in general, just because we haven't seen enough evidence of being back into a bull market, in my opinion. So I'm conservative with saying we're back in a bull market, even though we are seeing some bullish signs for a lot of altcoins like Verasity, for example. But mid to long term, I am still super bullish on this crypto in general. I do think it's going to do very well, and in my opinion, I think getting up towards $1 over the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years is very possible, considering the all-time high sitting up there at almost 10 cents. We got that basically with a chopped off bull market, didn't we? So thank you very much for watching indeed, guys. That is it for today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.